I'll just read through the first question and then
Sure.
just we'll have a little chat. Cool. So, tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth, and what did your financial future look like?
Well, we were already with another financial advisors, but we felt like we had to chase them all the time, and they weren't very clear. So we were getting concerned about our retirement as we're getting to that age. So actually our son put us onto Infinite Wealth through Facebook, and we went to your evening workshop, and we were just really happy with what we heard and the service that we've had before that.
Yeah. Cool, no worries. So what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
Just knowing that I was, how can I put it this way? Get me out here.
Well, yeah, just the fact that you guys were
Explaining it more
clearly,
simple
and
terms. That's all it
and
was.
we could relate to all the examples that he gave as well, so we didn't feel like we were the only ones that didn't know. That's what we found through the workshops, that it wasn't just us. We thought it was just us not knowing. So the knowledge was so great for us in knowing that we are not alone. There is many people out there like that, and he just did everything in a simple way that we could understand.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So what has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
Much more confident.
Yes.
We feel like we're a lot more knowledgeable, and we feel safe and secure, and knowing that we can ask you guys
silly questions, anything.
Yeah, and not make us feel silly by answering them. You know, you always.
Even the other place where it was I don't know, it was just so sterile. It was just everything was clean.
Yeah.
You sort of wanted to ask a question and thinking, really, you asking that question? But hey, we've asked so many silly questions, and Rex and everyone else is all happy to answer it.
And everyone's so lighthearted and warm, and I don't know, we just feel very comfortable. We really do.
It's a very comfortable place to
and
get
we're
business
happy
with.
to recommend to other people because we know the experience we've had.
Yeah. So how does your financial future look now?
Good.
We feel safe.
Yes, very safe.
We feel safe. We feel like we're in, we've got a plan that we can afford to get to where we want to get, and our goal is definitely there. Yeah. Definitely.
It's coming closer.
Yeah.
Would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family?
Yes.
Yes,
and we have.
Yeah, we have and we will
yes.
continue.
Yes.
Definitely. So thank you, Tim, Rex, and
everyone
that has been on the team and making our journey so much more easier.
Yeah.